Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Simple. Today we are going to learn tricks for finding the sum of natural numbers, even numbers or odd numbers. So you would have seen a lot of time the question asked like that in the exam. Find out the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So do you think that it is practically possible to add like 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 100 and get the answer? Definitely not, because it will take a lot of time and you'll not be able to solve the other question if you just start with that question. So how to overcome that? So we have some formula or trick for it. But what usually happens with the formula? We need to remember a lot of formulae, and whenever we want any specific formula during exam, we forget it. So what is workaround for that? So we should understand how the formula is generated, so that even though you forget the formula, you can just write down few steps and get the formula again. So this will help you in this formula. If you forget, you can generate it yourself and solve the question. So we are going to look at formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Then we will look for the sum of first n even numbers. And then we'll see for a sum of first n odd numbers. So when we say n, n can be anything. N can be like, if you want to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers, your n is 10. If you want to find sum of first 20 natural number, then your n is 20. So n is just any number for which we are trying to get the sum. So let's get started with the sum of first n natural numbers. So let's do very step by step so that you'll be able to understand how the formula is generated. So let's start from the taking one number, considering n as 1. So we will take sum of first one natural number. So what is the first natural number? 1. And if you take the sum of it, you will get the answer as 1 only, because we are adding only one number. So 1 is 1. So here we are just trying to write for one natural number, our answer is 1. We are just writing the answer over here. Like for one natural number, our answer is 1. Let's take two natural numbers. So when you take two natural number, what will be the sum? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. You will get 3. So can we say for two natural numbers, our sum is 3. Then let's take three natural numbers. For three natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, you will get 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So let's just write down it. For three natural number, our answer is 6. So for one natural number, our answer is 1. Two natural number, our answer is 3. For three natural number, our answer is 6. Let's go for four natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10. For four natural numbers, our answer is 10. So whatever we are doing right now, even though you don't know any formula, you just know the basic addition, you can do that very easily. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. For 5 natural numbers, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 6, 10, 15. So you get the answer as 15. Now, once we have done this for first 5 natural number, we need to observe here. What operation I do on 1, so I get 1. What operation I do on 2, so I get 3. So all these operations should be same. So if you try like 1 into 1 is 1, so you got the answer 1. But is it applicable for all this? 2 into 1, but we have 3 here. It should have been 2 in that case. So this is not the pattern. So you have to find the pattern in a such a way that whatever operation you do on this left side number, you should get the right side number for all the cases. So what is the next number of 1? Next natural number of 1? 2? Yeah. So can we do 1 into 2? 1 into 2 becomes 2. And if you try to divide this 2 by 2, you will get 1. Is it nothing but our answer over here? So we have one natural number. So 1 into next natural number, that is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Let's see whether this pattern follows for the next number, this thing for two natural number sum. What is the next number of 2? 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So this is following this pattern. For sum of three natural numbers, what is the next number of 3? 3 into 4 divided by 2 is 6. For four natural number, what is the next number? Next natural number of 4? 5. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 becomes 20. 20 divided by 2 will become 10. Similarly, for 5, what is the next natural number? 5 into 6, that is 30 divided by 2, 15. So if we see that, if you multiply this number by its next natural number and divide it by 2, you will get the required sum. So our formula for sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So basically, if you want a sum of 10 natural number, you have to put n as 10. 10 into 10 plus 1, that is 10 into 11 divided by 2. You will get the answer. So let's try a couple of examples. So first of all, we can write down this formula, whatever formula we have. So we have to find the sum of first 50 natural number. So what is the value of n over here? N is equal to 50. 50 into 50 plus 1 divided by 2. So you can make the simplification like 2 1s are 2 and 2 into 25 is 50. So we can make it as 25 into 51. 25 1s are 25, 2 is carry. 25 5s are 125, 127. So sum of first 50 natural number is 1275. Let's do similar way for 100. Let's write down the formula first and we just substitute the value. We don't need to take any additional effort. What is the value of n over here? 100. So 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So which is nothing but 100 by 2 will become 50 and 50 into 101. So you can put 0 here. 5 1s are 5. 5 0. 5 5 0. You can put 0 here. Then you got 5 1s are 5. 5 0 0. And 5 1s are 5. So you got the answer as 5050. So for the sum of first n natural number, what we need to do? We need to multiply that n with its next number, with next natural number, you can say, and then just divide by 2. So you will get the sum of n natural number. So if you want the sum of first 80 natural number, you multiply 80 into 81, divide by 2. You will get your answer. Now let's go for sum of first n even numbers. So the way we did it for natural number, what we did here originally, we have tried to do the sum of first natural number, then two natural number, three natural number, like that till 5 natural number. Similar way, we will try the same exercise for even numbers. So let's do for one even number. We know that first even number is 2. So our answer is also 2. So for one even number, our answer is 2. For two even number, what will happen? 2 plus 4, 6. So can we say that for two even number, our sum is 6? Yeah. Now we'll go for three even numbers. What is the third even number? 2 plus 4 is first and second. And then we got third even number 6. 2 4 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So can we say that for three even number, our sum is 12? Let's go for four even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 12 plus 8, you will get 20. So for sum of four even numbers, first four even numbers is 20. What is sum of first five even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you add 20 plus 10, you will get the answer as 30. So for the first four number, we had 20. Now we just added 10 to it. So we got 30. So now we have written the sum of first one even number. first 2 even numbers, first 3 even number, like that till 5 even numbers. So now try to see pattern, like what operation you do on 1, so you get 2. Is the similar way you can get that operation on 2 and you get 6. So 1 into 2 is 2. But if you do 2 into 2, that should become 4. So it is not the just multiplication by 2. But can you try, what is the next number of 2? And what is the next number of 1? Next number of 1 is 2. So if you do 1 into 2, you get 2 here. What is the next number of 2? 3. 2 3s are 6. So you get this here. So if you multiply 1 into 2, you get 2. If you get 2, if you do 2 into next number 3, 2 3s are 6. If you do 3 into 4, you get 12. So all the time, what we are doing, we are multiplying the whatever even number sum we have. Like if we are doing for 10 even numbers, so we are multiplying by next number of it. So if we are doing addition of 4 even numbers, 4 into 5, that becomes 20. So that is matching our right hand side. 5 into 6, 30. So formula for doing the sum of first even number is nothing but n into n plus 1. So basically, whatever number of even number you are going to add, first n even numbers, you have to multiply that n with its next number, n into n plus 1. So let's look at this problem. Sum of first 50 even number. So what is our formula? N into n plus 1. So keep 50 as it is. 50 plus 1 will become 51. 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 25, 50 is the sum of first 50 even numbers. Let's go for sum of first 100 even numbers. You can copy the same formula. Whenever you solve any problem, try to write down the formula so you get more practice and you'll be able to recall it for longer duration. So what is the value of n over here? 100. 100 plus 1, it will become 101, and 101, 0, 0. So sum of first 100 even numbers is 10100. So what we need to do for first n even numbers, you just take n and multiply it with n plus 1. That's it. You'll get your answer. Now we will look at the sum of first n odd numbers. So similar way, whatever we have done for natural number and even number, we will do for odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, these are all odd numbers. So let's get started with first. So if you take first odd number, you will get the sum as 1 only, because we are not adding anything. 1, so that is 1. So for one odd number, you get answer as 1. Let's go for two odd numbers. 1 plus 3. 3 is the next odd number, right? 1 plus 3 is 4. So for two odd numbers, you got the answer as 4. Let's do for three odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So can we say for three odd numbers, our answer is 9. For four odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 9 plus 7, we'll get 16. So sum of first four odd numbers is 16. Let's go for 5 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9, 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. So for first 5 odd numbers, we get the sum as 25. So now try to look at this number of these pairs and see, do we have any pattern? 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25. So if you know the squares properly, 1 to 30, you will get to know this. Whatever we have on the right hand side, all those are perfect square. So perfect square means the square of any natural number is called as a perfect square. So can I say this square of 1 is 1? Can we say that we are adding two odd numbers, first two odd numbers, and then we do 2 to the power 2, we get 4. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. And square of 5 is 25. So in simple words, if you want the sum of first n odd numbers, you just take the square of n. That's it. So n to the power 2. So let's do a couple of examples. What is the sum of first 50 odd numbers? So what is our n over here? Our formula is n square. Our n is 50. So if you find out the square of 50, you will get your answer 2500. There is an additional video on the squares. I will put the link in the description so that you can refer it if you want to do the squares in quicker way. So 50 square is 2500. And let's do for 100 odd numbers, n square. What is our n over here? 100. 100 square will be 100 and 20 more. So the three formulae what we saw for sum of first natural number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then for first n even numbers, we have n into n plus 1. And then for first n odd numbers, we have n square. Thank you.